I got a feeling.
I've got a feeling.
I was singing it.
Ang sagot ng ating... kasi sinabi niya is tonight. Una niya sinabi is tonight.
Tonight's gonna be a good night?
Yun, nahabol mo.
Yes.
So, Ryan, anong final answer ng team nyo? Tonight's gonna be a good night.
So I've got a feeling.
Nabago. Ano yung final answer ay...
Got a feeling. I've got a feeling. Tonight's gonna be...
Ano ba talaga sagot mo?
I've got a feeling now.
Okay, wrong na kayo. Wrong.
Oh my God,
Mali.
sorry.
Mali. At dahil dyan, bibigyan natin ng chance ang mga Pinoy housemates. We love you.
Sorry.
I love
Okay,
you.
para sa Team Pinoy, music please.
I've got a feeling.
Lakasan mo, Fritzy.
I got a feeling.
Oh my gosh, you got a feeling!
Is correct! Okay, 1 point Team Pinoy. Team Pinoy,
Sing it!
okay. Team Pinoy, 1 point!
2 points!
Okay, 2 points na. 2
2
all
all
na.
2 all na.
Ganun kabilis, nahabol lang kayo.
2 all, it's 2 all. You gotta do it, Ryan.
Okay, kamay slide ng baba. Team Pinoy. Okay, question.
Let's see.
Open arms.
Nakahabol. Open arms, 1 point, Team Pinoy. Okay, Team
Wow.
Pinoy, sing
Sing
it.
it.
So now I come to you with open arms. Open.
No! Nothing to hide. Believe what I say.
Nalamangan na kayo. Anong sinasabihin sa kanila? 3-2 na. Ryan.
Okay, we have bread. Oh.
Okay, next question na. Kamay slide ng baba. Ryan?
Yes.
Okay. Question.
Pinoys?
Ay, listen up.
So sorry, Pinoys. May chance ang ating internationals. Music!
Come on, yo.
Apple.
Naubusan ng oras, naubusan ng araw. Patay. Tamang sagot ay the Apple song or balita. Okay.
Apple.
Sayang. Kamay slide ng baba. And, Team Pinoy, kamay slide ng baba. Okay. Question.
The end.
Ay, no. What did you say? What did you say? Come on,
In the end.
In the end, nahabol ni Ivan.
In the end, 1 point, Team Pinoy. Okay, pag nakanta nito, kayo na ang maglalaro, okay? Team Pinoy, music please. Kapag medyo nagulo yung simula, Team Pinoy, without music.
Ang strict ni Tito Edu, no?
Without music.
Go, guys, you can do it.
Oh, you're so
sweet
sweet.
naman.
Ang sweet ni Ryan, Ryan.
Sorry. Kumakanta na yung tao eh.
Kumakanta ba?
Okay. Ulit. Go.
Tried so hard and got so far, but in the end it doesn't even matter.
I had to fall to lose it all. Ang tamang sagot. Okay, pero 1 point na rin yun. So, Team
But
Pinoy.
it was, my gosh, winner. Okay. 4 points, 2 points. Alright, next song tayo.
Isa pang
Come
tamang
on,
sagot,
Ryan.
yan na maglalaro.
Please, Ryan.
Okay. Question. Ano ba naman yan?
Kaya namatay si Michael Jackson kasi hindi niyo alam yung kantan to.
Ano ang tamang sagot?
Heal the world!
Oh my God!
Ano
Yan ang
naman
kailangan
yan?
nating lahat ngayon.
I'm so disappointed in you guys.
Affected?
Hindi, nakakalungkot
Hindi mo na
lang.
kaya, hindi mo na
Nakakalungkot
kaya.
lang.
You wanna walk out? You
Sige,
wanna,
sige,
you
para
wanna
matapos
sort
na,
of,
para
parang,
matapos na, kamay sa
parang
baba.
just never show your face again? You
Kamay
wanna
sa
do
baba.
that?
Hindi. Okay. Para matapos na natin. Hindi, okay? Ryan, kamay sa baba. James?
James sa baba,
Ivan?
hindi sa kilikili.
Saan mo nilagay?
Nakaganito.
Hindi, baka gusto niya check kung may ano. Okay, alam niya. Fritzy?
I like that. Next time, kamay sa kilikili. Okay.
And question? Nahabol ba yun? Wala, sorry. Hindi
Ayaw na
umabot.
ni Cecil.
Ano dapat ang sagot niyo? Ano dapat sagot niyo?
Unfaithful.
Unfaithful is
My
wrong.
immortal.
My
My
immortal.
immortal sana.
Tama sana. It's okay, Brett. It's okay.
Okay, next
Kamay sa
one.
kilikili.
Nang katabi?
Ah.
Okay, kamay sa ano baba. And, question?
Just Dance.
Just Dance is correct! Congratulations sa ating Pinoy housemates. Let's see Devon and Ivan. Thank you so much to international housemates. Ryan, Brad, and of course, James.
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Up next, Cash Motor sa Angeles, Pampanga sa pagbabalik ng...